Hello everybody, thank you for watching Black Diamond Services. My name is Nolan. I've got a big one here. This one should be fun. I want to see what this is going to look like afterwards. So I am starting out with the vacuuming. Moving on to pre-treating it. I am actually out here doing tile as well. I've got some of my cleaner dwelling right now, so being that this living room is not that large, I decided to come do some vacuuming while I wait. As you can see, this one looks like it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, right? Carpet has not been cleaned in, what should you say, since 2005. Sectional couch that was sitting in this area. That's why there's a black strip right here, and then there was an area rug right in front of it. So that's why you want to see the black right there. Around the whole entire thing. We just about emptied it out for me, which is great. I was hoping they'd be able to get majority of the stuff out so I could do a more thorough job for them. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. I'm either going to link these videos together or I'm going to do a separate one of the actual cleaning. Probably even the CRB in this room too. That way you guys can see this carpet as it progresses. See how well it's going to clean up. So, let's see if this will look a lot better after I'm done with it. I truly believe it will. Excited. I always like seeing carpets in this condition turn out well. See, the best part about this job, in my opinion, is she found me for Black Diamond Services on YouTube. One of my videos became recommended to her. She checked it out. She was looking for a carpet cleaner and tile cleaner in her area. She came across my videos, and I think I said the city that I was in. She recognized that city and that it's not too far from her. So she messaged me to see if I service Lodi, California. And I was like, absolutely. Now, came out here. I came here, today's Thursday, came here on Monday to give her an estimate. Now I'm out here doing it. So that's the power of videos. If you're a cleaner, you happen to be watching this, start doing videos, because this just proved that videos make a difference. I'm going to top it off. Her parents own a taco truck, so when I got here right at lunchtime, her mom showed up in the taco truck and made me a burrito. So this is my favorite job of almost all year. If you knew me personally, I love food, and I really enjoy a good taco truck burrito or tacos, and man, it was good. Let's just say that. So I'm very thankful for them already. I hadn't even started working yet. So always be creating that value and that honest work ethic, because they're gonna recognize that and, treat each other well. It's the whole purpose. Treat everybody well, respect, as you would want to be treated, and you will prosper in many different ways. And for me, a simple little thing is just making me a burrito that's probably, $5 or something normally when they sell it. It means a huge difference to me. So now I didn't have to worry about lunch or anything like that, even though I kind of made one. But a taco truck burrito just about beats any homemade lunch, right? I know I vacuum this area quite a bit, but I'm just being extra cautious considering the condition it's in. So I'll come back to you with either another video or this linked up so you guys can see all the steps. So be watching the YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that bell button to subscribe so you can see how this carpet shapes up.